What's up, guys? I'm here once more with another YouTube video, and this entire setup right here, yes, the top camera angle working. So this entire setup right here is my Fuji XH2 kit, and yo, I use this kit for vlogging. I use this kit for, like, if I'm doing a photo shoot, professional work. Like, this is what I use most of the time. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, you can see that I have the body in the center right here, and this is the Fuji XH2. You get me? So I use this camera on a day-to-day basis for most of the stuff that I'm doing, to be honest. Right, so as you can see, it's in a cage. You get me? I can't use this type of camera without a cage, and because of that, this cage and also the battery grip. So because I'm using the battery grip can support 2 batteries inside. Let me slide it out. The camera can support 2 batteries inside, and I can actually hot swap these batteries, meaning if one of the batteries dying, I can actually take it out and just put in an additional battery if I want. When it comes down to the Sony side of it, like my Sony a7 IV, if one of the batteries dying, I can't hot swap. So if one of the batteries dying, hot swapping is not going to work. So the reason why I can hot swap this, because I have a battery inside of here. So you're looking at a camera setup with 3 batteries one time, and also because it's in a cage, I can mount the camera anywhere I want it to be, which is perfect. Media card. This is a 512 CF Express Type B card from Angelbird. This read and write speed is 1785. Yeah, that's really fast. Actually use this for just videos only, and for the photo aspect, I read and write to one card specifically for video, and that's a CFX Type B because I can max out the video quality on that. And for the photo, I actually use this type of card. This is from Sony. This is a tough card. So like my video settings, I normally shoot at the max quality. Well, no, not the max quality, because the max quality is 8K, and I don't shoot any of my YouTube videos in 8K. So the max quality that I'm shooting is 4K DCI at 30 frames per second, and I shoot in f-log2. And one of the main things when shooting in f-log2, the ISO is 1000. The base ISO is 1000, and that is pretty bad. So in order for me to compensate for that 1000 ISO, so I can get that bokeh background, because all the lens here is 1.4 and below, or up 1.4. Yeah. So in order for me to shoot wide open, I have to get ND filters. These are like sunglasses for your lens camera. Yeah, so I have 2 type of ND filters, and also promise filter to soften the video or photo. Canon X ND filter. This is from KNF, right? This is a 6:9 stop, which is pretty good if I want to go like all the way open with my Fuji XH2. And also all of my ND filters is from KNF. This is a 5:9 stop ND filter from KNF, and if you can look, there is also another thing which is basically stuck on. I don't really take them off. So this is a promise filter, very small promise filter. I love the fact that it's so small. You get me? Really concealed underneath this, right? This is another Nano X ND filter, and here's another ND filter, right? This is a 77 filter size ND filter. This is a next 6:9 stop, right? This is really for the bigger lens. I should soon tell you about that lens, my lovely bokeh lens. And here we have another ND filter. You get me? I can't live without shooting with ND. You get me? Here's another ND filter. This is a 6:9 stop ND filter, which is, it's a bit dirty right now, but yeah, this is my ND filter with step up rings. So let's talk about lenses. I'm going to start from the wide perspective to the closer perspective, you know, telephoto like perspective. So let me start off with this. This is my 2-go wide lens. This is the Rokinon XF 18 1.4 lens. I love the weight of the lens. It's small. You get me? I love the build quality of the lens. You get me? This is 1.4, which is so excellent, right? And if I want to go a little bit closer without, you know, being too far from the person, then this is a lens from VILTROX. This is the 23 1.4. This is a nice focal length. This is equal to like 35 or 34 on a full frame. All right, so let me go over to another lens. This is the 56 from VILTROX 1.4 as well. You know, if I want to get that semi telephoto type of vibe. As you can see, these lenses have been used, you get me? Yeah. Then for my, let me put this back in the frame, for my baby type of lens, like this lens doesn't leave my camera bag. When I can actually substitute two lenses and just walk with two lenses only, like I'll just walk with this lens and my excellent bokeh lens, and that is the 75 1.2 from VILTROX. You know, see the pro badge on it, you know, because it's like a pro lens, stating that it's a pro lens, right? So this is the VILTROX 75 f 1.2. This lens is a beast of a lens, and I really love it. Really love it. Should be clean off all these lenses, right? So this is why I have this ND filter. This is the 6 to 9 stop ND filter for that particular lens, because at 1.2 I need to cut the light, but I still need that bokeh from it. So let's talk about audio devices. So I have two type of audio devices. So I have on-camera audio and I have, you know, wireless audio. So let's talk about the wireless audio. So this is the ᴜᴜ DW30. Get me, this is a wireless microphone. This is the case to be exact. So this is what it inside of the case looks like. So inside you have two transmitter and one receiver, you get me? And yo, this is a really nice mic. The audio is really good, like really good. This is the Minbo M2 microphone. So let me tell you what's unique about this mic, right? So if I want to get one directional part of the mic, I can switch here, and if I want to get like a, you know, a 50-50 audio, right? So this switch controls, I can get audio from here and also from here. So if I'm doing a vlog and I want to get my voice, so if I'm doing a vlog and I want to get my voice and also the person's voice at the same time, then I have the functionality of doing that. This mic is really unique, really unique. So when it comes on to mounting the camera, to like put it on a tabletop and talk, so this is what I use. This is what I use. This is a very unique, this is like two different stuff, right? This is like two different stuff. I don't remember the name of this base, but this is a Joby Pod ball head, right? The reason why it's called a ball head, because I actually can just turn this and it just, you know, rotate. So this ball head supports a camera up to 3K. No, I think, no, this, I bought this a long time ago now. It's either 3K or 5K camera. I don't remember, but this is metal base. So last thing, when it comes down to storing all of this information, I make sure that I have a fast read and write storage device, and that is a SanDisk Extreme SSD. This is very durable. I like the fact that it's type C, you get me? I can actually focus. I like the fact that it's type C, you get me? So yo, the read and write speed is good, and as you can see, this is 1 terabyte of another SSD. So this right here is my to-go SSD drive as well. This is like my backup drive. This is a 2 terabyte SSD drive, and yo, this is super fast. When you have a speed of 1000 read and write speed right here, 1050, and then you have a speed of 2000 right here, so you know that editing from this is light speed, really good. Copying to it is super fast. So I always walk with both of these drive, you know, a 2 terabyte and a 1 terabyte, and that's it for me. And when it comes on to like storing all of these files. So guys, that's it. Like, comment and subscribe for more. And also I have another video coming out, which is the post-production part when I'm using all of this setup. So stay tuned for more. Peace.